The Festool Domino floating tenon maker. So here's a wood tenon. It is metric. It is 8 by 40. So your first setting is you got to set that cutter with the 8mm diameter cutter. So that's an 8mm cutter in there. And then the 40 comes into play on the side here. You're going to set that at 20, half the length of the tenon. After that, you're going to set your depth of cut from this base plate to the wood. That's 3/4 inch ply, 25mm to the inch, so like 20 will kind of have it in the center. The way you're going to do that is you loosen up this lever here, and then you could set that thickness right here with this push button. So if it's 20, 30, 40, whatever you want. So we'll set it at 20. I have a 1-inch offset right here. I'm going to mark that 1 inch on the inside of my board and 1 inch on the inside of my leg. So what we're trying to do here is cut our skirt on a coffee table, so that skirt will not sit flush to the leg, but it's going to be recessed down about 20mm or 3/4 of an inch. I need a way to hold this thing down or stop on it. Fingers are out of the path of the cutter. I'm lining this black mark up here on my pencil mark. Turning it on. The vac has to be on automatic. You got to pull the chips out. There's the mortise. It's a pretty good fit. It's a little bit of a loose fit. That fit is set right here on the top of it. This is a tight fit, medium fit, loose fit. So you can see what a loose or medium fit's about. There's a tenon inside there. Again, now what I'm going to do to set this skirt so it goes down a little bit from the leg. This is, again, a leg on a coffee table, a skirt in between the legs. So I'm going to this adjustment here, my depth. I'm going to loosen this up, pull this up a little bit. I'm going to set it at 40. So I have that 40mm setting. It's going to be the same 20 as the skirt plus another 20. I gently push this down, lock it in place. Same thing, I'm going to line that black mark up to my pencil mark here. My wood's clamped. There's my floating tenon in my skirt. That's going to just go right in here. And because it's a loose fitting, I can move it a little bit. And you can see how flush that sits. This is my 20mm reveal right there that I wanted. I'm going to probably put 2 on a 4-inch board, and then the real bonding agent will be glue.